3I Atlas. Is it a spaceship? Probably not. Oh, oh, you want to talk some more about it? Okay, sure. So on July 1st, 2025, astronomers spotted another comet that doesn't belong to our solar system. Meet 3I Atlas, only the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected, screaming through our cosmic neighborhood over 130,000 miles per hour. What makes this discovery so exciting is that we're getting a glimpse into chemistry from an alien star system. And the early results? They're weird. When telescopes like JWST and NASA's Sphere X analyzed the comet's coma, the glowing cloud of gas surrounding it, they found something unusual. This thing is absolutely loaded with carbon dioxide. We're talking about a CO2 to water ratio of roughly 8 to 1, which is apparently among the highest ever measured for any comet. Most comets are largely water, but 3I Atlas is different, hinting it formed in conditions unlike what we typically see in our own solar system, which makes sense since it ain't from around here. Now, you might have heard Professor Avi Loeb and others on YouTube and places like that suggesting this could be some kind of alien artifact, like, Rama from the novel by Arthur C. Clarke. But let's pump the brakes a little and talk about what we actually know as of October 1st, 2025. We know for certain that 3I Atlas is real. It's interstellar, based on its hyperbolic orbit, and it's actively outgassing like a comet should. The CO2-rich composition is genuinely intriguing and tells us about exotic formation conditions. Maybe it formed near a CO2 ice line in its home system or was exposed to intense radiation. But here's what we don't know. The comet's actual size is still uncertain, with estimates ranging from just over 300 meters to several kilometers across. We don't know its internal structure, its exact origin, or whether the CO2 dominance is typical for interstellar comets, or if this is just a cosmic oddball. With only 3 interstellar visitors ever detected, we're basically working with a very small and almost meaningless sample size. 3I Atlas is heading towards perihelion, its closest approach to our Sun, around October 30th, at about 1.4 astronomical units, which puts it inside Mars's orbit. And this is when things could get really informative. If the Sun decides to throw a coronal mass ejection, a solar burp, if you like, at the comet during this critical period, we might learn a lot more. CMEs have interacted with comets before, causing tail disconnections and spikes in emissions that reveal the comet's composition in ways we wouldn't normally see. It's like getting a free science experiment courtesy of our hyperactive home star. The increased solar heating at perihelion will also ramp up the comet's outgassing, potentially revealing more about what's actually inside this interstellar traveler. There's a catch, though. From Earth's perspective, the comet will be behind the Sun during the perihelion, making ground-based observations difficult. That's why space telescopes and potentially Mars orbiters will be crucial for trying to catch the action. So is this an alien spacecraft or some kind of artifact? Probably not. Is it an incredibly valuable scientific opportunity to study material from another star system? Sure. Each interstellar visitor is a rare gift, a sample delivery from a wider galaxy that we don't have to travel light years to collect. Over the coming months, as 3I Atlas swings around our Sun and back out into the void, astronomers will be watching closely. Whatever we learn, whether it's isotropic ratios, structural changes, or unexpected outbursts, will add another piece of the puzzle of how planetary systems form throughout our galaxy. Honestly, that's probably more exciting than any theory about alien artifacts. But, it would be exciting to be proved wrong. So that's another video in the can. If you found this informative or interesting, please consider liking and subscribing down below. And remember, be excellent to each other.